Hey guys, this video is of a CURT cargo carrier. And here's the carrier installed on the back of my van. I apologize if the lighting isn't the best. Anyhow guys, I looked at a few different racks and this was one of the better ones that I could find. It's got the 500-pound weight limit on it. Give you an idea of what kind of gauge that is. Pretty simple to assemble. It comes with directions, pretty straightforward. It's got the reflectives on each side and it also has it here, but it's covered up with my light here. And this is lengthwise. Let you guys zoom in on that, and if you're looking to fit something Pacific inside of there. Alright, I guess I should really be looking at the inside measurement and not the outside measurement. Well, that's right about 24.5, a little bit shy. So overall, I haven't mounted down my box to this yet. I've had the carrier on the back of the van now for about 3 weeks, and mine's a little bit of a custom deal because it's welded to that hitch right there. I attached it to this rack back here, this swinging hitch made by Titan. That way I can swing it open and still get into my back doors here. Now the price, I'm not real sure. I think it was right around $140. I'll go ahead and flash it up on the screen right now. But overall, I'm really happy with it. It's a big rack, it's sturdy, the price was fair. It's got the support bars about every foot. And I should tell you, height-wise, from here, about 5 3/4 of an inch. I pretty much bought it so I could fit my toolbox on the back of this right here, and it was one of the racks that I found that was at a decent price that could do that, so I went ahead and picked it up. Alright guys, I hope this helps some of you guys out there, and if you're looking to purchase this, I'll go ahead and throw a link down below in the description where you can find it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you in the next one.